This is America in Space, a weekly news and information program on current events dealing with the space industry.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor. The AXIOM Mission 1, or AX-1, is the first private and fully commercial mission to the International Space Station. The mission will launch from NASA's historic Launch Complex 39A and dock to the foreport of the International Space Station's Harmony module, Node 2. The 10-day mission includes its own independent mission of research and exploration, including several experiments. To date, the mission has undergone several delays. Here's Kathy Leaders, the NASA Associate Administrator for Space Operations, to explain the reason for the scheduling changes. And they're based on a great number of things that are going on at the Kennedy Space Center all at once.
This is a really exciting time in space right now. We were just here talking, and I told everybody this is our spring mission season. You know, we've got Mark Vande Hei coming back on March 30th. Here we are getting ready for AXIOM 1 for the early part of April. We got Crew 4 launch in mid-April, Crew 3 landing at the end of April, and then OFT2 in May. And when I got into the space operations, it was for these missions, and man, this is just a really super exciting time right now. So here we are, 1 week before, and guess what? Artemis 1 wet dress and the AXIOM 1 mission are on top of each other. So I will tell you right now, Artemis 1 wet dress has the range. Plan is to get that done as early as possible. But our plan also is, I think we've all as a team been through this before, that we still got 8 to 10 days of processing on both sides for us to get there. So they're getting ready for their wet dress, but we and the AXIOM and the SpaceX team are also getting ready to be able to launch as closely to April 3rd as possible. And so we're working through that, and we'll continue to monitor. From a station point of view today, when we were going through our flight readiness reviews, obviously we're looking at getting this mission off and not impacting our Crew 4 delivery of crew to the International Space Station. And we feel like we got a plan for that, and we're going to go execute to that plan. You know, as our first private astronaut mission flight readiness review, it was really important for the team to think about how do we do this and the scope of it, and make sure that we had a careful focus on ISS safety and making sure that the ISS program was ready to accept this new vehicle and conduct all the work. There's a tremendous amount of work being done on the International Space Station during this period of time with that crew, and so we wanted to really make sure that we were ready for it. And everyone pulled go. One of the other things I wanted to say is this is really a pathfinder for us. So it's important for us to take these missions and learn from this mission about how we can do better. And so as a team, as we get through this mission, we learned a ton heading into this mission. The team's done a tremendous amount of work getting ready for today. We're going to learn more conducting the mission, and then we're going to collect all of that learning. And after we're done, we're going to roll that back into us being able to do this operation even better than before.
Whew, that is a lot of stuff going on. It's amazing how many things they have scheduled all at the same time. From Florida's Space Coast, this is Dawn Meyer for About Space Today.
Join the About Space Today news team for a live broadcast of the AXIOM 1 launch, the first all-private crew to visit the International Space Station. Watch our live coverage on your phone, tablet, or computer by going to the About Space Today YouTube page. Join Space Coast News Editor Dawn Meyer and me, David Denull, for live coverage at 12 noon on Wednesday, April 6th for the launch of AXIOM 1.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to share our program with your family and friends, and follow us on Facebook. Join us each week for news and information on America in Space.